Hi everyone in the world! Yahoo みんな、もち先生です。Today's topic is about common mistakes in Japanese. I will tell you 5 common mistakes. So let's get started. 始めよう。Alright, so first one is わかります。When you understand something, I hear many Japanese beginners say わかります。わかります sounds like I know, but I think you guys are using it for okay, I understand. I understand. It's gonna be わかりました。わかりました。So わかります sounds like I already know that. わかります When someone teaches something and you say わかります it's not really polite, so please say わかりました。わかりました when you understand. Well, number 2, don't use too much anata. Well, I already made this video, so please check it for more details. Calling someone anata is a little rude in Japanese. We always call their name instead of anata. So I'm Mochi sensei. When you want to ask me, what do you like? Mochi sensei wa nani ga suki desu ka? Like this. Japanese don't say あなたは何が好きですか? We always call their name. So first you have to ask their name. お名前は何ですか? So you can avoid using あなた. And when you call their names, please add さん at the end of the name. In formal situation, like 田中さんYamada-san. But in casual situation, like to your friends, you can just call their name, not adding anything. Like Yahoo Kenji or Yahoo Hana if you guys are really close friends. But if you guys are friends but not really close, then it's better to add kun or chan after their first name. Like Kenji-kun.何してるの? はなちゃん、久しぶり Like this. Alright, then number 3. Negative form is not only じゃない I think many people think Japanese negative form is じゃない Well, that is correct, but we also have other negative form. Like for example, 元気じゃないです 元気じゃないです This is correct, which means I don't feel good or I'm not cheerful today. 元気じゃないです But I hear many people say like かわいいじゃないこれはかわいいじゃないですかわいい in negative form is かわいくない So you need to understand e adjective and na adjective. I also already made this video, so please check this. E adjective and na adjective. So, e adjective, you need to use kunai for negative form. So for the word kawaii, when you want to make this kawaii to negative form, you need to drop the last e and add kunai desu. これは可愛くないです Or I hear like 大きいじゃない大きいじゃない私の家は大きいじゃないです This is wrong 大きい is e adjective So you have to drop the last e and add くないです私の家は大きくないです But for na adjective, you just have to add じゃない Like 元気じゃない好きじゃない I don't like it 好きじゃない Okay, so let's move on to number 4 Number 4 is about the word Yasashi Yasashi I think this is because of this book, maybe. Yasashi Nihongo. Yasashi Nihongo. This means easy Japanese. Yasashi Nihongo. And when I search the word easy in Japanese, internet website says easy, yasashi. Well, this is correct, but we say 簡単な something. 簡単な something. So 簡単 means easy. The word 簡単, this is na adjective. Na adjective and noun, you have to add the word na between na adjective and noun. So 簡単な something. Yasashi means kind in Japanese. Kind, like he is kind. 彼は優しいです。My teacher is kind. 私の先生は優しいです。優しい means kind, so we don't use this test is 優しい。このテストは優しい。We say このテストは簡単です。簡単 for easy. We understand what you want to say when you use 優しいテスト, but it doesn't sound natural, so please try to use 簡単 instead of 優しい. Okay, the last one is about the particle no. No is possessive particle, possessive. So when you want to say my something, my cup, 私のコップ, my house, 私の家, my cat is sleeping over there, my cat, 私の猫. I hear many Japanese beginners using like かわいいの人. I think you want to say pretty person, かわいい人. No need to add no. Just かわいい人. Or I hear like 大きいの家. This is wrong. You can just say 大きい家. So just remember, no is possessive. Alright, so this was the video for 5 common mistakes in Japanese. Let's study with Mochi sensei and use correct Japanese. Well, thank you for watching and please subscribe and leave comments below if you have any questions. And hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye! またね